This is Mobilvetta Design's Kia i85, which has been brought out for the 2023 season. And so this vehicle here, it claims to be a high performer of the newest generation. Okay, right, I shall have refrain from making any comments. This thing here costs in excess of 92,000 euros. It is. Where's the length of it? There's something wrong with me. Sorry. I'm not thinking about it. 747 centimeters by 235, 295 in height. And sorry, I see I dirtied my hand when I stuck it near a battery this morning. Right, you've got this enormous bed up there, which looks really good. And I've got to say one thing about Mobilvetta. The design really is stupendous. I mean, it looks wonderful inside. And the problem is, it's one of quality. Anyway, I dare say we may see signs of that whilst looking around this vehicle. Of course, this vehicle has been here now for 1 week, and so people have had a chance to actually cause damage to it. This one here seems to be, to me, in pristine condition. Let's see what we can do with it. Well, first thing I note is that, okay, it's a German layout, and let's look under the bed. So we've got storage under there, a little bit under there. Let's see what we can do with it. First of all, let's see if I can lift the whole thing up. And now I find the first problem. Okay, there's a problem under the bed with the. Okay, this is supposed to lift. But I think, sorry, it is. Sorry. It was my fault, not that of Mobilvetta, it's mine. See, storage under there. This can be quite useful. Of course, it is better if it's got a light so you can see what's going on. And let's see if this opens up okay. Right, so you can see where the storage is. Of course, a light would be appreciated. Now, we are in a hall in here, so that does make it worse. On the other hand, it might be night when this is being used, so that's going to make it even more difficult. Now, on the subject of design, I would suggest a light in the drawers, particularly as one opens them. That would be nice. Yeah, you've got storage in there. Well, so storage is no problem. It's a problem of being able to see what you're doing. There you go, plenty of light there, isn't it? Although that's the light from outside. This is the way into the garage, which I think that's really good. I like that. It saves you having to go out to get things out the garage when it's raining. And also note this, there's proper sides to the drawers. I do appreciate that. All right, I'll put this thing here down if I can. I'm putting it down now. Oh, right, okay, good. Went down okay. This is for the German layout. We'd put this in here to make the bed. Unfortunately, I haven't got the plate to make it with. Oh, can you see that? Is that okay? All right. So something like that. Gives you the general idea. Let's have a look under this bed. Okay, so you can see the wardrobe there. Now, I know that opening wardrobes for is a bit difficult if you do it via the bed. But bear in mind, this is a motorhome which is less than 7.5 meters long. So really, space is a bit at a premium. Wonderful rear display, in my opinion. Storage is okay, not bad at all. Although down here, oh dear, what's that? I can't believe that that's supposed to be broken like that. Can you see that? Look. Is that really the way it's meant to be? I don't know. I mean, maybe they're all like this, is it? Yeah. Unfortunately, it's broken. Yeah. It shouldn't be like that. I think. Could be wrong. Don't know. Right. Windows at either side and storage up there. And here we've got the lights. Let's see if the lights work. Yep, they certainly do. And they certainly work as well. Good. And right now, if you want to close off the front of the vehicle, you can do it like this. Oh, well, that worked. That's quite good. The gap seems to be a bit different, but as you go down, but hey, that's good. Like that. Good, well done. Well done. A bit noisy. Right, a lovely washroom. I do get a nice washroom from Mobilvetta. I like the sauna look. And you get these, look, the lights are great. I like the logo in there. I think that looks really quite good. A nice big toilet. You've got storage behind the mirror. Oh yes, that's, I mean, that is elegant. Something like this is totally impractical in a motorhome. There's a huge sink as well. I mean, you probably end up doing the washing up in here. Right, so in here we have got, well, there's a kitchen, 3 burners. That's okay, no problem there. This looks nice, been very nicely set up, this one. And okay, it's a good large sink. The drainage is unfortunately a small one for which you can't find things to a net or anything, but other than that, that's okay. And down here we've got, yeah, proper drawers. Notice anybody here is from the Heimer group, for example, even their most expensive vehicles don't have proper drawers in them. We'll open this. Oh, it sounded a bit dodgy. And this, okay, right, this pull-out thing, pull-up unit, goes right to the very back. Good. Note, often they don't in other vehicles, and that's okay. That sound doesn't sound. Oh dear, that doesn't sound too good. It's possibly me, but that doesn't look straight. Never mind. Big fridge, 3-way fridge, means it uses gas as well. Okay, and at the front we've got this really attractive setup. The thing about an integrated vehicle, you've got this wonderful huge panoramic view up front. This is on a Fiat. Means that unfortunately waiting times are very long. Indeed, I'd be surprised if anybody got this before 2024 now. I don't know if that matches or it doesn't match. Somebody who knows more about things, about this type of thing, matching units, will perhaps be able to say. Looks a bit odd to me. This should open as well. Oh yeah, I think it looks really good. I don't know how practical it is. There's a door at this side as well. I've noticed that more and more integrated vans seem to be having a door on the driver's side, having had a few years when there wasn't one. Personally, I prefer them without the door on the driver's side. Right, now the bed will come down. Fortunately, it's not electric, which is a good thing. Now, to get the bed to come down, we would have to put the seats down, which in this case, as I've only got one hand, I'm not going to do. But I am going to show you, however, how big the bed is. So you've got this like curtain all the way around, which holds the thing up, and so it's a really big bed. There's also a net under it as well, so designed to stop you falling out of bed should you think there's any chance of you falling out of bed. Good. Right, so you've got the good and the bad with Mobilvetta. Lots it really is a pity because the design is outstanding, but there's these little details and things that don't work at all. Alright, so there's a double floor as you'd expect at this price level. Bit of storage down there. We'll have a look on the outside as far as possible. There will be more information in the description, and if there isn't, then you can, and you want more information, then ask for it and I'll sort that one out. Sometimes it's not always possible to put information in the description due to time constraints. For example, now I'm here at this trade fair. I'm not taking, because of difficulty of bringing the computer in and internet access. I can only write using my telephone, and that takes ages, so there won't be much of a description. But once I've got my computer, I can actually do that. That's water release. We've got these lashing ringlets there, which I think are very handy. 2 gas bottles. That'll go for ages. Particularly, I mean, this does have the double floor. Good. Thanks for watching. That is the Mobilvetta Kea i85 introduced for 2023, and I think that's well, you have my opinions there, because it's got the good things and the bad things. Thanks very much for watching.